Hello, good morning. This is your Mommy Doclos TV. My last day in Butuan City. I'm on my way to my clinic to finish all my unfinished business. Good morning, good morning. Oh, I'm happy today. Oh, I'm happy today for all the updates of my loved ones, of my kiddos, entire world. Thank you for the greetings, and thank you for checking me if I'm what's this? If I'm good and fine for today. So this is my last day duty, and then tomorrow I have to leave for another place. So right now I am on my way going to my clinic in Ampayon, and I hope may pasyente na daw. So there are patients na waiting for me. Okay. Anyway, good morning to everyone, and thank you for all my kids. Thank you for all my patients. And then yung mga pasyente ko kahapon from Surigao, talagang matyaga sila nag-antay hanggang gabi na kami na uwi. Anong oras ba tayo natapos? Alas 11? Oo, natapos kami sa pasyente mga 11 na eh. Madami kasi eh. Oo. Barangay yatang dumating. But anyway, I'm glad to meet them all. Now another batch. I hope I can finish it earlier so that I can pack up my things for my travel tomorrow. So good morning, my dearest, all my kiddos, entire world, all my family out there, my relatives and friends, of course, and all my adopted sons, especially my Mix Molino, Tatay Jetro, and my Mino. Buddy, how is your events in Malaysia? Although you give me updates, but I saw it in the videos. I know you're too busy and too tight. Nagreklamo siya, pagod daw, masakit ulo niya. Kasi ang dami-daming fans eh. Kagaya din pag nag-fans din kami ni Migs. Talagang pagod na pagod kasi nga you have to entertain your fans, no? Mga followers mo, mga fans mo. Syempre minsanan lang kasing magkita-kita. So, grab the opportunity. So, I'm happy to see all the fans of Liminho during the meet and greet yesterday, and I think another group again. Meet and greet for tomorrow. And then yun, kailangan talaga masaya at nakangiti all the time. Kahit pagod ka, you have to smile. Ganun talaga pag pag celebrity ka. So yun. So keep it alive and energetic. Ganun talaga because that is your career. You cannot say no. Especially people wanted to have a pictorial with you, shaking hands, hugging with you. So because that is our lifeline, to make us also happy. So same as me, I do it also when we have fans day with fans. So guys, yun kasi ang mga anak ko, puro mga celebrity. Aray ko. Kinaladkad nila ang mami nila sa kanilang sa kanilang career. Pero sa akin naman, enjoyment lang. I'm just supporting them sa kanilang career. I'm just behind the scene. So I'm glad and happy for their success. So especially my buddy Mix Limino and Mix Molino, my son. Tatay Jetro, thank you. Nakikita ko, nababasa ko lahat. Nababasa ko naman yung mo, pagbabati. At saka thank you so much for caring your mom. Happy naman ako kasi inalagaan nyo ako talaga. So the rest of my fans, the rest of my kiddos, thank you so much for all the messages, Oo, napakataba ang ano ko, puso ko, na araw-araw, maagang-maaga, pagising ko, nakikita ko na kaagad yung mga messages niyo. Pero ano lang, hindi ko talaga kayo mapagbigyan lahat, nasisilip ako lahat sa inyo, sa mga GCs, because your mom is too busy also. Especially now, ang dami-dami kong pasyente talaga na inintindi. So, minsan matapos ako, midnight na. So, makarating ako ng hotel ko, early morning. Oo, midnight. Yun. So, guys, just say hello to all my kids, my patients, my friends, and my family. So this is your Mommy Doc Luz TV. Thank you so much for watching your mom. Bye-bye. Mwah! I love you all.